Hello everyone. In today's video lesson, we will familiarize ourselves with the operators called equal, and, or. We're going to write a very simple program that is going to ask the operator for inputs, and it's going to decide if they are both correct or one is correct or the other is correct. So create a new project, console application, click go, C++. I'm going to name this project and or. Click next, click finish. Sources, main C++. We're going to clear all this out, and we're going to start by declaring two integers, int a semicolon, int b semicolon, and it's going to ask cout enter your first integer, semicolon, cin a semicolon, cout enter your second integer equals space semicolon. We're going to enter b. Okay, if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. This and notation means both conditions have to be valid. We're going to declare you have won 1,000,000 points. End of line. So now we're going to ask the operator to enter two numbers again. Instead of and notation, I'm going to put or, which is two vertical bars. And if you entered 5 or 6, you're going to win less than 1,000,000 points. It's going to be 100,000. Because you didn't get 5 and 6. It's just like winning the lottery. So I'm going to click build and run, and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to enter 5. Second one, I'm going to enter 6. And I won 1,000,000 points. And let's say I enter 5 again, but instead of 6, I entered 8. So one of the conditions are met, which is 5 or 6. So we have 5. See, we won 100,000 points, not more, unfortunately.